Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications because I'm here every day for you. Alright, let's continue product controller with other methods. So we finalize get all products, and now let's continue with create products public. But before that, let's add HTTP get attribute public I action result create product view model. Where is the, or is that product create view model? Product create view model. Yeah, let's say request and var. No, this is going to be empty view, and let's cut it. Alright, this is my fault. This is going to be empty view because we need an empty form. HTTP post now public I action result create product create view model. Perfect. Now let's call our repository, create item and request, return redirect to action, get all products, controller is product. Perfect. Alright, let's create our view, add view. It is going to be reserve view, and let's add it. I'm waiting my Visual Studio create my CSHTML file. Come on, Visual Studio. I'm still waiting. Alright, perfect. Let's add our model. Product create v model. Okay, let's say create product. Perfect. All we need to do, add a form here. I'm going to copy from category controllers, go to view. Let's copy this form and we can use this form. Alright, so action is create category. Now it's going to be create product. Is a product create product? Yeah, create product. Method is going to be post. Perfect. Let's add our properties step by step. The first one is name. Enter a product name here. The second one is going to be, let's see, the second one. Okay, name, price, quantity. Let's say quantity, and the type is going to be numbers. Enter product stock level. Alright, let's copy one more time for other option. Let's say price, and let's say text. Enter product price. Let's copy one more time. Okay, so we have name, price. Let's have a look all of them. ID. So why do we have ID here? Product create view model. Let's get back our models. View models, product view model, product create view model. So we shouldn't have any ID because while we're creating our product, it is going to be created automatically anyway. Alright, let's see one more time. Category ID. Yeah, we're going to use a drop down, so let's leave it for a second. We need a product feature, right? Let's add product feature. Height. So we have ID here as well. Let's have a look. Product feature create view model. We have product ID. Should we have product ID? I'm thinking, I guess we're supposed to have it, but we can edit automatically. I'm just thinking it is going to be, it must be added automatically, right? Let's get back view model and let's make this command line for a second. Let's see if it's going to work or not. Okay, this is product feature height. And let's add weight. And let's add color. Perfect. Anything else? We need to select category, right? All right. All right. Let's add here an input type text plus from control. So we're going to switch it to the select, I guess. Let's type here a select. But this is a little bit different, right? Okay, I'm going to add drop down a bit later. First of all, let's add normal category ID. Let's see if it's working. Then we're going to switch it to the drop down. Let's go step by step. Enter category ID. ID. Enter product height, weight, and color. Alright, let's check everything. Create outline success. Create product. Everything seems perfect. Let's run the application. Category. But we're going to get some error messages. I'm gonna leave as it is, and I want you to see this error message because I'm not showing you only to how can we create our codings and projects. I would like to show you how can we track down our errors, how can we fix them all step by step, and it will be a really good experience for you because we have some unfinished business with our maps. And if you remember, we changed our mappings from our controller to services, so we need to make some adjustments according to our generic service and according to our product class. Okay, let's see the error messages step by step. Before the lesson, I clear my database. Be sure just your product have one product data and its feature. Okay, you should have delete the other if you have another um, data. And let's try to application and let's see the error messages step by step. Alright, let's run the application. I'm waiting. Alright, let's continue with products, get all product. As you can see, we received our products. it is working, we know that from our previous lesson. Let's try to create new product. Let's say new test, product stock level. I'm just entering random numbers. Just try to test it. Alright, let's click to create. Perfect. Let's continue, click to continue first and see the error messages. Here we go. Object doesn't match target type. Okay, let's have a look what kind of problem we have. First of all, let's have a look our parameters. Entity in is product. Entity out is product create vModel. This is the first program. Our entity in is vModel. Let's get back our controller. As you can see, we're sending a vModel. So this is our entity in, right? So we need to amend our generic services. Let's get back our wrapper. Let's have a look. Source seems product create. Source seems is okay, but the problem is entity in and out. Okay, perfect. So we're going to amend entity in and out first. Okay, let's stop the application. Let's get back our generic service. Where's our generic services? Perfect. When it comes to create mapping, our entity in is create vModel, right? Our entity out is T entity. Let's amend this, and it is going to same for update as well, right? Perfect. All we need to do is change the update vModel. All right. Let's copy this one first for the create, and let's change the update as well. Perfect. Now it's amended. Let's try one more time and let's see the results. Let's run the application. Okay, let's go to product, get all products. What's happening? Yeah, all right. We get all products, create new product, new test. Let's say random numbers, just for try. Let's click to create. Here we go. Let's run the application. We have non-static method requires a target. Okay, let's have a look to error message again. Entity in is product feature. Entity out is product feature vModel. Let's let me have a look again. The source is null. So we have problem with our subclasses, and the problem is comes from here. Let's have a look. Property in is double height. Property out double height. Okay, let's check the entity in one more time. The product feature, entity out. Let's continue. No, let me have a look a couple of minutes more. Product feature, it must be the reverse if I remember correctly. Let's run the application. Okay, we have problem get value. Let's have a look what kind of result we have in our products. Okay, the product has been created, but we have problem to creating features. So I'm going to delete it for now. Okay, let's track down the error step by step this time, and we will see the error messages much more easily. Let's put a breakpoint here, and actually I'm gonna put breakpoint. I already have breakpoint in my product controller, right? Let's send the data one more time. All right, let's get into step by step right now. All right, let's go in destination. Entity in is product create vModel. Entity out is product. Everything is seems perfect for now. The source is create vModel. Perfect. Let's continue. The first property is ID and property in name. Okay. Quantity. We're checking first ID. We don't have ID, so it's going to be passed. Now the second one is name. Yeah, we get the name now. Let's check. We copy the name of our property. The other one is quantity. Let's make it a little bit faster. Yep, quantity has been copied. Now we are on price. We get the price right now. Perfect. The category ID, the next one. Yep. Here we go. We get the category ID right now. Let's check our destination. We get quantity, price, name, and category ID. We need to find out category and product feature, right? But in this section, we don't need to get the category. Let's have a look. Property ID is category. Property in name. Okay. Now a little bit move slowly. This is quantity. This is price. This is category ID. This is product feature category and product feature. Yeah, we've passed it. Category. We don't have any category, so we passed it. Now, next is product feature. Name. Quantity. Price. Category ID. Yeah, product feature versus product feature view model. Perfect. We catch all of them. Let's have a look. Property type name is product feature. This is the problem. Okay, I just realized. So product property type name is product. Let's have a look. Product feature. This is the product feature CRUD, so it couldn't contains this name. I just realized we used wrong name, by the way. We need to use property out name, not property type, just as it is. We can use equal and contains, both of them is work, but we need to use name instead of property name. Okay, so this is another error. So we're going to pass this section. So we're going to get an error message. Source comes as a null. Okay, let's stop the application now. Let's fix this error. All we need to do is delete property type. All right. So you can use property out name and property in name equal or contains. Both of them will work. But let's make everything sure. Copy this one and paste this one. Okay. Just in case both of them will work, but I'm going to choose to move with equal operator. Okay. Let's run the application one more time. Let's check our tables. I'm checking because we still have another problem to be fixed, but I'm gonna show you step by step, guys. Okay, so let's open our project. Let's get all product, create new product. Let's type a random numbers. Let's click create. All right, let's continue. Perfect. Product has been created right now. It is working smoothly. Execute. Yep, this is our product and this is the feature of the product. But what if you remember, in my project, let's get back our entity. my product feature can be null. So what if I send a null result? What's gonna happen? Let's try this one. We need to try every possibility if we are using a kind of mapper class and if we are using reflection. It can be really dangerous in your project. You have to make a lot of tests and you have to be sure there is no bug in it. All right, let's go back our project and create a new one. The product name, let's say testing. All right, product stock level 25, category ID, let's say 1, product price is 225, height, weight, and color. I'm gonna leave them empty, I mean null. Okay, let's click to create. Okay, let's continue. Here we go. We have an error messages. Let's have a look our inner exception. Cannot insert the value nullity into color. So it is telling us basically we assign our product feature nullable, but we forget to assign the properties of product features as a nullable. Let's stop the application. Let's get back our products. Let me have a look. Product feature. Yep. So all our properties can be null. So all we need to do is use question mark to make them null. Okay. It's really good to see these error messages. Now we're going to update our database. Let's make it null, null, and null. What about product ID? Actually, we don't need to add those null because automatically they're going to be assigned as 0. All right. But the product ID, it is going to be a problem, I guess. Let me think. No, it's going to be added automatically. It is going to be connected to product. So all we need to do is assign color as a nullable. Okay. Let's go back our package manager. Let's type add migration. Hopefully we need a name, obviously. Let's type bug fix. Bug fix product feature. Product feature. All right. Let's send it. Here we go. Now we're going to make a changes in color. Let's have a look. Default value. Where is the nullable option? Nullable true. As you can see, we changed nullable to true. Okay. Let's update database. Perfect. Let's close everything now. Okay, let's get back our view model as well. Where is our view model? Product feature create. Let's add color nullable. And for the update as well, let's make it nullable. Perfect. Let's save everything. Now try one more time to send an null product feature. Get all products. Create a new product. Testing. By the way, I didn't show you. Did we have changes in our database? Let me show you. This is MVC project tutorial, tables, product features, right click and design. Let's check color. Allow nulls section, it comes with a tick. So we did update. All right, let's continue. Product stock level 15, product price 33. Let's create it and let's continue. Here we go. We have a testing product, 0 height, 0 weight, and null color. Perfect, it is working. Let's get back our product features. As you can see, this row belong to product ID 20 and which is testing. So all we need to do is updating. Perfect. I assume you understand how we are working on our project. It is a great example to back and forth, okay? So we create our codes. When we get error message, we use breakpoints. We are going back. We are define the error and then we are solving the error messages. All right, let's close the application. Close everything. Did we save? Yeah. Oops. Let's close all tabs. Let's continue with our controllers. So we did get all, we did create product. Let me have a look. Actually, how many minutes have been done? It's approximately. Okay, I'm gonna finish this lesson here, guys. All right. Next lesson we are going to continue with update and delete. Hopefully it's going to be finished in one time if we didn't get any problem. If we have any error messages, we're going to fix it again. Alright guys, take care of yourself, see you on next lesson, bye bye.